we got a Ford here, y'all. This is the F. The one that I saw in Cairo. F1. This yours? How long you had this one?
Probably about 8 or 9 years, maybe close to 10, I think. I'm not sure.
Okay. You restored the entire thing, or you just?
No, I bought it.
Did you really?
I bought it.
Gosh.
I paid good money for it back then. That was $25,000 back then. Now it's more than that.
I'm telling you, I'm surprised it's worth $25,000.
He wanted 27, but I got him down to 25.
Oh man, how many offers you got on it today?
Well, I ain't had any offers on it, but I've had offers before people. They would never quote me a price.